Good evening everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So for today's segment is none other than this Tier 4 Wave 4 is a SE version. Okay, so another day, another unboxing. Okay, so without further ado, we'll start. So hopefully we can get the one from this one. SE or the BP. So normally SE is the highest cheese lab in a sense. Okay. Alright. 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 Fight. If this one is a S. Zoom. Alright. Okay. Kushina. Legend. Oh! So fast S-E. Okay. All the S-R and S-S. Naruto. Sasuke. SR and SSR Naruto. Okay. HR Naruto. Choji SR Choji. Okay. SSR Sasuke. This one is HR. Okay, Naruto. Shikamaru. Konohamaru. Shikamaru. Okay. Husband and wife. January. That memory. Okay, it's AR. No, I wonder first time I saw Choji AR. Nice, very nice. Okay, we put the sleepers. Is there anything else? Oh, I saw it's nice. Oh, the AR, very nice. AR Choji. It's quite fast. What if I cut the pipe? And it's a SE. So sad. Alright. Anyway. Don't think hilarious. Okay. See if there is, I don't know if there is a hit. Okay, so you are. Alright, I don't know. Let's do this. But I saw that you are. Paku, Naruto. SR Rocky and SSR Rocky. And sorry guys if you hear my voice is a little bit changed because I am not feeling well. Okay. Ebisu Sensei. Oh nice. This one is I forgot his name. Okay, it's a OR. That one is a hits. Okay, Mifune, Hinata. Okay. Naruto, SSR, Boruto, HR, Jungo, Naruto, Sasuke. This is the one I saw. UR. Alright. Okay. Oh, Boruto. It's nice, huh? The HR. First time I saw. Oh, nice. It's Obito or Shizui. No. The Uchiha one. I forgot the name. OR. Okay, done. 8, 2, 4, 6, 7. We put the 2 first. 3. Okay. Let's see. I think it's the hits up. Oh no. It's very hard to see with the hits. Okay, SR and alright. It's Suki. SLR. Okay. Alright. AR. Oh nice. Hinata. Okay. Shikatai. SS4. Kakashi. Oh, Hashirama. Alright. Last 4 packs. Let's see if there is any magic pack. Magic. The pack is very hard. Very hard to cut also. Because I'm worried like you cut the card. Watch a lot. Oh, I don't know. But I saw some shining. Okay. Oh, I knew it is you when I saw the orange. There's a lot of hits, huh? Really? Okay, Azuma Sensei. Kakashi. It is a Moegi, yeah, I think so, Moegi. SSR 1010. Naruto, Last Fight Magic. SR and SSR Chio. Sarada. Okay. We set aside those SR and SSR first. Okay. Nice. A lot of hits for this box. Okay. For that, we do this recap. So it's a bit. So definitely we put inside the okay. Alright. Sorry guys, my voice is a bit wow. Okay, we sleep this on first. This one I forgot the name. It's Itachi's. It's Itachi's favorite thing. I forgot the name. So please comment down below guys if you know the name. Oh, nicer. The AR is nice. Alright, so from higher to lower, do the recap. Okay, so this is UR Naruto. All the UR we get is Naruto. Yeah, so Itsuki from Boruto SLR. This one is the Uchiha thingy, the one under the eye. Izuna. I think this one is Izuna. Yes, so hopefully I'm correct. The bubble guy. This one is Jinchuriki. Okay. Choji with his butterfly wings. Hinata and none other than our hits is SP Sakura. Okay guys, so oh by the way, we still have one more box because it's a 2-box session. Okay, so this is our first. It is the second. Sorry. I forgot. Okay. Oops. See. Alright. Okay. Let's begin, guys. I forgot I put on my stand. Okay. Wow, really hot. Ay. Alright. Is the SEs here or the BP? Let's see. Okay, empty Okay, few packs, so it's like 6 by 6 or 6 of them. Right. Crunchy. Okay, let's do the zoom in. Okay. SR. Okay, SLR. Blu-ray. SSR. HR, Georgie, Kakashi, Sai, Neji, alright. It's a OR, nice. This one is the Mizukage. HR, Kakashi, Naruto, Sakura, Naruto, and Indra, UR. Nice. Okay, Killer B, Sakura might die, and Boruto, SSR, Sasuke, Karin, young Sasuke, and SSR, and Sarada. We took the 6, 6. Congratulations. There is a hit, I believe. Oh, AR. There is a AR. Okay. Let's proceed. SR. Okay, SSR. Kurilai. Naruto HR, Shigetsu, Moegi, Joji, and oh nice, this one, I forgot her name, but it's one of the Jinjuriki. HR, Shizui, Gamabunda, Naruto, and AR Mitsuki. Okay, Kabuto, Kushina, Naruto, forgot his name. Naruto. Okay. Oh, nice. Sakura. Excuse me. Kakashi. Naruto. And end up with Kankuro. Last pack. That one is Chocho. This one is Paku. Naruto. Minato. And SLR. Haku. Oh, nice. Haku. We haven't get the main hits, huh? Hopefully we get the big hits. Big hits on go home. Last 6 packs. Guys. Last 6 packs. To go. Where is this? Okay. It's a UR. Okay. Sakura SR, AR. Rocky. HR. Gawakichi, Sasuke, Gaara, and SLR, Hinata. It's a 2 box. Don't tell me. Hidan, Hanabi, Sasuke, Choji. Okay. AR. Wow. All these mid hits only. Don't have the primary. Don't have the high hits. Karin, Sasuke, and UR. Okay. Itachi. My god. No high hits. Temari, SSR. Last pack magic. Let's see who will end up with. Yeah, unfortunately it's SSR. Sarada. Wow. All these mid hits. This one is a little bit low. The high hits only is AR and SLR. Damn. This one is pro. And pro box. Yes. Anyway, it's okay so far. Wait, so guys, please comment down below which box is the great. Is it the first box or the second box? So what do you think? Which one is the good box break? The first box or the second box? Please comment down below. Okay. And let me hear your thoughts. My highest pull only is AR and SLR. This one. Yeah. Alright, let's do the recap. So this is what we get. What we pulled, but it's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. Now I wonder it's quite a lot. Okay. Adult Sakura, Indra. Okay, I forgot his name. It's Mizukage. This one also, I don't know. Yuri, Yuki, something like that. Haku, SLR. Sister of Boruto. Hinata, mother and daughter. Okay, I think this one is Shikamaru or Shikataya. I'm not pretty sure. I think so, Shikataya. Okay, Rocky and Mitsuki. Alright, so this is my hits for the second box. Okay guys, so please comment down below. What do you think? Which one is the best pull? Is it the first box or the second box? So definitely you know the answer, but I want to hear your thoughts also as well. Maybe there is a different thoughts that you're going to give, you know, in a sense. Alright, so I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy this unboxing session into my channel, and see you on my next unboxing sessions, and have a good day guys. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit like, share, and comment down below into the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, the notification bell. Okay, so see you guys on my next unboxing session, and have a good day. Goodbye everyone.